I don't know how to teach my children Yoruba. Well, now you can. We have the image here. We know what it is in English, which is orange, but we don't know what it is in Yoruba. And this device is going to tell us. This is Lingoberry, and it is a device to help you teach your children Yoruba. Let's see, I'll show you. Here is the device. You have two sets of cards, A, B. Great thing about the device is it doesn't have any screen, so this is a great alternative for screen time. You don't have to know Yoruba to teach your children Yoruba. In the cards, you get animals, clothing, greetings, food, numbers, fruits. This into this. Awesome. Awesome, which is orange. We learned a word. Awesome. That's one word. Now you're speaking Yoruba. Let's learn Yoruba together. Ó dàbọ̀.